beautiful life. Oh my gosh, it's... Hey sexy.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
So today is today is Wednesday. Today is the 6th. Today's the 6th of June. Look at my views, guys. Oh, this is a motherfucking view, man. Shit. It's so beautiful here. Like, for real, it's so nice. Cool. It is cold. Anyway, it's MiJulsz. I hope my pom-pom is not showing. My panache. So yeah, how are you guys? It's the 6th and it's a beautiful day, you know. Having a wonderful day. Having a wonderful morning. Woo! Jesus! Ice mate, you know. What's that called? But yeah, I'm having a good day. There's not much planned on the agenda today. Bay's in the shower because he has work, so I'll just be chilling. Oh, probably not uploading the video clips onto my lappy toppy while Bay goes to work. He's cold. He's so cold. Woo! It's cold, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking a nice morning soak. This feels so good. Hey sexy. I guess. Huh? It is cold. Watch out. Oh my god, here see? Huh? Oh my god, here see? Look, I got to come out there. Oh my god, here see, not sure. Yeah? Oh, that. Look at our white man. I'm shivering. She swim like in the ocean. Yeah. But it's so rough. You need to be careful. Can Errol swim? It's not like Jay, right?
Yeah, he can swim the time.
Okay. So where does a person is going in the early morning now?
Fishing,
Fishing? So far out? Shark out in the show? Where he is, right?
Probably.
In the deep blue sea of the Caribbean. The live was so good yesterday. Everyone that tuned in, big up your damn self. Yes. Honestly, the live was popping, you know? I did my live in Jamaica. Jamaica. Baby, yeah? Which one? My milky drinks? Huh? Yes, please. Hopefully Bay and I can do a few tags. Like, you know, I don't know, what tag should I do, you know? Or I might come and do a tag today, like the 25 something, the same tag that Lyrics did. I'm gonna do that one. I found that tag to be very interesting. You wanna do a tag today? Why? We won't have the nice scenery and won't have the access to the internet weekend. Oh. So why you don't want to do one tonight? You got tired? You see ya? He's not gonna be tired, guys. He just being naughty. Thank you, baby.
Don't squeeze it.
That tastes so good. Oh, baby. I'm feeling kinda crazy. Ooh, there's a force coming out of the wall. What is this? The water.
Yeah, let's just come through.
Ooh, this feels nice. You should come in for a dip. We should have some backers right here.
Contaminated people in pool.
You're not contaminating the pool. Isn't there chlorine in here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Toasty man.
Yeah.
That's not very nice.
Watch
yourself, young man.
Oh
Oh shit. Mommy, I go Okay, MiJulsz. Wait, let me position you guys correct. Okay, MiJulsz. I'm gonna be showing you my crib. Not my crib, but Bay and my crib. Okay, so you come around the corner, right? You see this little path going downstairs. I don't know if I want to go downstairs, but I'll show you what it looks like from the top. So you go down here, that's the ocean there. You turn to the left and there's a swimming pool, a private little swimming pool. That's the swimming pool you saw me in this morning. You step up again, and there's like chairs to eat your food, and there's a dead moth on the table. Bye. Okay, they give us more chairs to just relax and see the view. You got your table here, table there, and over here you have like 2 sunbeds, but you know it's a good day I try rub, so she's not gonna go out there get burn up in the sun, right? Okay, so this is what downstairs looks like. Woo! Okay, breathing, Tabia, breathing. So there it is. So that's the ocean. You can climb down there, right? I think you get a better view from up here. Hold on, I have to be careful, this shit is scary as. Okay, so guys, that's what it looks like. Okay, so you can get the, oh, that was so scary. Okay, so welcome to the crib. So obviously the door would be closed. You go in the door and there's a massive ass bed with the pillows. They give us a table there. That's got all them things there. That's my laptop or whatever. I'm gonna go use the Wi-Fi shortly. Oh, remember what this is? Who remembers what this is? The oil lamp with kerosene oil. Kerosene oil. Kerosene oil. Then there's a big ass lamp right here, which is very naturalistic. It's like bamboos and whatever. There's another table here. That's a laundry bag. And this is what the windows are. So they're made out of plain. I think that's what you call it, plan. I don't know. This is a little back garden. That's our neighbor's house over there. We don't have a neighbor right now, but that it would be the neighbor's house over there. Okay. There is another bed in the room. There's actually 2 more beds. So, you know, Bay and I can have sleepovers if we wish to. We've got a fridge right here. Probably the fridge is empty. The fridge is empty. Okay. That's my half drunk supplement, our water, tropical juice, eggnog. Bay's charging his phone, it looks like. This is a coffee machine. They've given us like a, I don't know why there's a knife here, but hey ho. All them good stuff. This is a rubbish bag. I always keep a rubbish bag. I woke up and Bay had bought me a sweetie today. It's so cute because he knows I love my bum bums. Then we went shopping yesterday and we picked up a few little snacks because you all know I love my snack. This is all clean clothes that we're gonna wear one day. That's wet stuff. That's my towel, my little suitcase. That's my money bag. Okay, so that's the room as an overview, right? So the bathroom has this little like door. So this is what the door looks like, right? That's the door for the bathroom. So you just open, you can either open 1 or 2, whatever the case is. There's a little rack. They've given us hangers, but we shall not use those. A towel. There's a little closet area, I'm assuming. This is the basin area. So there's a his and hers basin, which is really cute. As you can see, that's my part and that's Tussi's part, okay? So this is the shower area, and the good thing about it, the shower has hot water. It's really powerful, really nice, really you know, get a good little scrub off. That's my soaps. That's Aura soaps, the simple and the blue soap. The simple is like for me and Tussie because I'm not using no blue soap, but I use that one, okay? This is the toilet area. Got 2 toilet paper at the moment. That's the bin. And this is the window. And this is the mirror, like where I can see my fine ass self. Hello, Miss Jules B. You looking so cute. You looking so fat, girl. Okay, so that is the tour of the house. I hope you have enjoyed it. And yeah, this is our crib, guys. So I'm gonna go to the Wi-Fi area now. And use the Wi-Fi, connect to YouTube, watch a couple YouTube clips, come on live, do all that good jazz, and yeah. And I'll be vlogging throughout the day as I normally do, you know. So see you soon, MiJulsz. Yeah, I can't believe that they actually blocked my video worldwide. Like, can they not respect a girl's hustle? The fudging cheek. You gone? You're gonna plant a tree? Where? Like a real tree? Okay. It's a bit blurry. Cause I'm on my laptop. The Wi-Fi is not very strong in here. Is it better now? I'm okay, Jordana baby. If I go on my phone, the only issue is that when I go on my phone to do the live, I can't see the comments properly. It's like the comments don't come up on the side of the screen. Like when I'm on the laptop, the comment comes up on the actual screen and it disappears within like 2 seconds. So I have to keep on touching the screen to read the comments. Whereas when I'm on the laptop, it's just more convenient. Let me see if I can like do something about the settings and then I'll get back to you guys. So give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna try and fix something, okay? Okay. Oh, I can't believe I got copyrighted. That's so fucking annoying. Blocked worldwide. How cheeky is that? Honestly speaking, the fuck? Okay, let's see. I can't change the Wi-Fi. I can't change the... But the thing is, I have full signals on the Wi-Fi. I think it's just... You know what, Gwanya? Because if I come off the laptop and I go and do it on my phone, I can't vlog. But I'm not really doing much anyways to vlog, so... Do you know, I'm going to switch it over because I understand the frustration of watching something blurry, to be quite fair, so... Alright, let me just switch it over. So, I'll be back in 2 seconds. What a beautiful live. Oh my gosh, it's probably by the time this vlog has come out, the live you wouldn't have seen the live because I've taken it down for various reasons. Quite a lot of sensitive topics were spoken about, so I've just taken it down, you know, just so everyone can have that peace of mind that their business is not out there. Obviously, if it was my business alone, it wouldn't be a problem because it's my YouTube, and when you're a YouTuber, you know, your business will be out there automatically because you're on YouTube anyways. But when it comes to like having, you know, my lady's business out there, I want it to be like that, so I took it down for that purpose. Yeah, you're right, Errol. I'm not videoing you, don't worry. The video's on myself, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna go see my huzzy. He's probably sleeping because he's so knackered, and the ladies know what's about to go down up in this bitch. Yes, if you was on the live, you would have known what was taking place, y'all. Yeah. Oh, look, we're so near to Rick's Cafe. I'm gonna show you guys. Look. Yeah, we're so near to Rick's Cafe. Yeah, I've reached now. If you was in the live, I told you guys that he would be sleeping. Look. And he really is sleeping. Hey, baby.
6 bars. Yo, Skyback. Malachi. Way out here. Send them a 6 and them a ticks. Them don't know the style and them don't know the ticks. Them not smart, them don't know the ticks. What takes SpongeBob, Squidward and Patrick? Here we are watching. 6 bars, I am in afraid for knock it. Light up in place like a fire rocket.